Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Now, during summer we get a lot of seasonal fruits and we tend to enjoy all these seasonal summer fruits that keeps us nice and cool and refreshing and also energetic throughout the day. So today I'm going to share 4 wonderful rejuvenating and refreshing drinks with you guys with a lot of nice fruits and combinations. So let's get started and check out the recipes. For the watermelon strawberry juice, I've taken 1/2 of the watermelon, chop it into pieces and keep it aside. I've taken about 5 to 6 fresh strawberries, chop them into pieces and keep it aside. To the blender, add the chopped strawberries. Add about 2 cups of chopped watermelon. Blend everything together. Now pour the prepared juice through a strainer to remove all the seeds and the pulp. So you can see you have this lovely, beautiful, fresh juice. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of honey to this. So if you want to add extra honey, you can add it according to your taste. Next, I'm adding the juice of half lemon. I'm just taking a few fresh mint leaves, crush it between your palms and add it to the juice. It's going to release a lot of flavor. Just mix everything together. This absolutely gorgeous and refreshing watermelon strawberry juice is ready to be served. Watermelons are more than 90% water, making them great for summers. And strawberries, known for their unique taste and nutrition, makes this drink all the more tasty and healthy. For the cantaloupe mango juice, I've taken 1 medium-sized cantaloupe, remove the seeds, chop it into pieces and keep it aside. I've taken 1 small Alfonso mango, scoop it out, cut it into pieces and keep it aside. To the blender, add the chopped cantaloupe, add the chopped mango pieces. Now instead of regular water, I'm using tender coconut water, about 1/2 cup. Pour that in, blend everything together. Now transfer this to a bowl. The cantaloupe mango drink will be a little thick and chunky. If you don't want it a little chunky, you can blend it nice and fine. If you like a tad bit of sweetness, you can add 1 tablespoon of honey. It's going to give you that nice mild sweetness to the juice. Mix everything and serve it nice and chilled. So it's going to be a very nice, filling, fresh juice that you can enjoy anytime. It's important to stay hydrated during hot summers, and melons can help a great deal with this. Combining cantaloupe with mangoes makes this drink a super house of nutrients. For the tender coconut and Iceapple juice, I've taken 3 pieces of Iceapple, that is a palm fruit. Remove the skin. Remove the little water that is there in the Iceapple into a cup. Now chop the Iceapple into pieces and keep it aside. I've taken the tender coconut water of 1 large tender coconut. It's best to strain it before we make the juice. So now we're going to make this tender coconut and ice apple juice. I've taken the tender coconut water to a bowl. To this, add 1 tablespoon of honey. Next, add a few drops of lemon juice. I'm also adding the juice from the ice apple. You don't want to waste that. Now add the chopped ice apple pieces. Mix it all in nicely. Crush a few mint leaves between your palms and add it to the drink. Mix it in. Now your tender coconut and ice apple drink is ready. This is an absolutely refreshing and healthy drink which is perfect for the summer. Tender coconut water is best known for its body cooling properties. Adding a few bits of ice apple makes this drink more interesting and fun. Next, for the musambi or the sweet lime juice, I've taken the juice of about 8 sweet limes. For this juice, I'm adding about 1 tablespoon of honey to give it a light sweetness. If you want, you can also add sugar. Next, I'm just adding a few drops of lemon juice just to balance the flavors. So just mix that in and your sweet lime juice is ready to be served. This is such a refreshing drink packed with vitamin C that you can enjoy during the summers. Sweet lime beats the summer heat like no other. This drink prevents your body from dehydration on a hot and busy day. So I have made these 4 healthy and refreshing drinks that you can enjoy during the summer that will keep you cool and hydrated throughout. So do try the recipes, enjoy and share with your family and friends.